Direct mode is the most straightforward mode in GetFiveStars, and it gets right to the point. The very first email request features the third-party review click buttons for Google, Facebook, or whatever review site that you're focused on. There is an option for direct feedback, so the business can generate first-party reviews or testimonials as well. This mode generates the most third-party reviews on sites like Google and Facebook. That's because that's the primary focus of this mode, to generate third-party reviews. There is no Net Promoter Score question first in this mode. Direct feedback is still possible, but it's secondary. With the review requests right up front, we strongly suggest that you first understand your customer satisfaction with your service or product. You should run Ultimate Mode or Review Mode first and capture your Net Promoter Score over time to ensure that the majority of your customers are happy. If you've got a high Net Promoter Score, this is a great mode for you. So let's get started. I want to show you how this works, how to set it up, turn it on, and get it moving. So to get started with any of the new modes, from your customer dashboard, go to Settings, and you're going to notice a couple of new menu options. One is Request Modes, and the other is Brand and Colors. You're going to want to go to Brand and Colors first and make sure that those are all set, because what you set here changes and basically informs all of the different templates, the emails, and the landing pages. Now, if you already had a logo and a banner image uploaded with us, those will carry over and show up here automatically for you. But the accent color is new, and so you're going to want to make sure that you go in and choose an accent color that matches nicely with your logo, because this color is used in the different email templates and landing pages. So once you have that set, go back up to Settings and go to Request Modes. This is where you'll have access to all the feedback modes. You can see the modes on the left-hand side, and all the way at the bottom there's a legacy mode where all of your existing customizations are saved. So if you made any changes and you want to try out one of the new modes, don't worry, it's all saved there. In this case, we're going to click on Direct Mode and take a look. Once I select Direct Mode, you can see on the right-hand side, all of the steps in Direct Mode, everything is here. All of the feedback request emails, the reminders, the landing page templates, everything is here in one place for me to edit, to make it really easy. So let's go into the initial review request and edit that and take a look. Here you can see our new visual editor and our new designs too. So we've got some really nice designs for you, and we're leveraging your logo and accent color that we talked about earlier in the brand and colors screen. You can modify the subject line, you can modify the body. We tried to provide some default content for you, but you can always customize it to be how you want it. We also have the tags now are just a right click away. So you just right click anywhere in the content and you can insert any of these tags inside of the content to customize it. And one of the things about this direct mode is you can see right here in the email, you have the review links directly in there. We add the give feedback link at the bottom here because what we found based on our research and our experience is that in many cases, customers, if they have a problem or maybe even a compliment, they might not want to leave an online review, but they're more likely to leave you direct feedback in some cases. So we provide that as an option in here. And the nice thing too is depending on your situation, you can change the location of that button. So some people like to actually put that front and center, depending on what they're doing, or they might want to move that to the bottom below the online review links. You can do either of that here. Now, one of the things that I like to do, and I suggest that you do too, is always test this out. So once you make your customizations, go down and just type in your email address and send yourself a test email so that you can see what your customer is going to see. So I just sent one of these to myself so we can kind of see how this flow works. All right, here I am in the email. You can see the subject line and the customized body text here. And here they are right in the email are the online review links to Google and Facebook. So this is a great way, to build those reviews. We also have the give feedback button here. Since I selected to leave it at the bottom, that's where it's showing up in the email. And if I click on one of these links, it's going to take me directly to a page where I can leave a review for this business. Now, if I would have clicked on the give feedback link, you'll see that we have a chance now for the customer to rate us using the Net Promoter Scale and leave us first-party feedback here as well if they wanted to talk to us directly. All right, so let's close this template out and just take a look at some of the other pieces here. So these are the reminder emails if they don't respond or leave you feedback or an online review based on the first email. Here we have like multiple emails. You can turn them on or off. You can change the intervals. You can also change the positive landing page. How do you want it to look? So you have the ability to change all of those right here in one place, which is really nice. The thing that I want to mention here is we've designed these modes so that you can switch between them, and that's the idea. If you want to change your focus, maybe you now need to do some survey questions to dig into certain areas of your business, or you want to focus more on first-party feedback or third-party feedback, you can switch between these modes very easily now. And all the content that you customize in each of these is saved separately. So you're not going to step on content in the different modes. When you change it in direct mode, it preserves what you have in review mode, so you can make different tweaks based on the modes. I'm confident that you'll get great results from this, so give it a try and let us know how we can help.